Tired of replying to the same product questions every day? Meet your 24/7 AI beauty assistant, created for your cosmetics and personal care business. From helping your customers choose the right skincare products to making them order instantly over WhatsApp, it does it all beautifully and automatically. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your cosmetic and personal care business, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, AI agent is created. In step 2, when a user sent a message, automatically a reply is sent to the user. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works. Welcome back to my screen, beauticians. Now before telling you how to create an AI assistant for your cosmetic and personal care business, let me give you a real-time example of how it works. So on my screen, you can already see this AI assistant created. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. Here I'll write something specific like I need help and enter it. As you can see with my specific message, this assistant is activated and they're asking me, I'm here to assist you. What specific issue or question do you have? Let me know, how can I help you? So I'll write my question and enter it. I have mentioned my question, skincare products for oily skin. Now as you can see, I got this detailed message telling what to use for oily skin. Cleanser, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, exfoliant and also face mask. Now I'll move forward and ask my third question. Now my question is for both oily and dry skin makeup products. As you can see on my screen, I again got this detailed message specifically telling about oily skin and also dry skin makeup. Similarly like this, I'll move forward with my last question over here where I'll ask about skincare product for men. So as you can see here, I got this message and they are telling me about what skincare men can use for their skin. Similarly like this, if you also own a cosmetic and personal care business, you can also create this AI assistant in just few easy steps. Let me tell you how. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. It is a space where business owners, creators and technicians come together, share their work, flows, ideas and solutions. It's a support-driven group where like-minded people help each other solve common issues and grow faster by learning from those who have already faced the similar challenges. Whether you are building for service, retail or automation, this is where real experience meets real help. This is our community, and to join it, we have the link given below in our description. For creating a new AI assistant, firstly, we have to open a new tab. Here on the search bar, we have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have two options. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we have landed on this page. Here we can see all the apps powered by Pabbly. We have to scroll down, go to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Now we are directed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the top right hand side corner, we can see this button Add WhatsApp Number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can see two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly dashboard, here we have some icons. Let me tell you one by one what are they used for. First one is dashboard. Here we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Second, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from users in real time. Third one is contacts. Here we can manage contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Sixth one is broadcast. Here we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using templates. Seventh one is flows. Here we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. Eighth one is AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. We will be using this today. Ninth one is activity logs. Here we can view logs of all our recent activities and response automate replies. On 10th one, we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. 11th one is get help. Here we can access for support, resource, tutorials and customer assistant. Now let me tell you how to create an AI assistant. We have to go on this AI assistant option, click on this, and here on the top right hand side corner, we can see this AI assistant. We have to click on this, and now they're asking me to write my name for my assistant. So I'll mention my name over here. So here I have named it as AI assistant for your cosmetic and personal care business. Now I'll click on this Add AI assistant button like this. And now I'm directed towards this page. Here, as you can see, this is the name of my AI assistant over here. And also on the left hand side, I have all the features for creating this AI assistant. So firstly, moving forward with AI instructions over here, as you can see, for the first box, we have select instruction type. So I'll click on this button over here, and as I'm creating an AI assistant, I'll click on AI agent. Now automatically they have given me the instructions over here. If you want, you can change this instruction, but I want to keep it same, so I'll simply move forward, and now I have an option for AI configuration. Here we have to set the temperature. It suggests that how creative a AI answer should be. 0 means more focused answer and 1 means more creative answer. So I want to keep it 0.5 only. Now moving forward to select AI. So I'll select OpenAI from here, and the model I'll go for GPT 4.0 mini option over here. Now they are asking for the API token. To generate an API token, you simply have to go on this blue text over here and click on this OpenAI API keys page. And like this, you will be redirected towards this page. Here you have to click on the top right hand side, create new secret key button over here. Here you have to write name of your AI assistant. So I have mentioned the name over here, and you have to create a secret key like this. Now you have to copy the secret key and move back to your AI assistant. Now you have to paste that secret key over here like this and click on this connect button. So as you can see, this notification open key saved successfully. So like this, we have successfully entered our API token key for OpenAI. Now coming to the AI assistant setting. Here we have header message, footer message, stop key, retry attempt, and fallback message. If you want to enable any of them, you have to toggle this button on and enter your message over here. I don't want to fill any of these, so simply I'll move forward. And here, as you can see, this is my fallback message. If you want, you can modify or change your fallback message as well, but I want to keep it same, so I'll simply move forward and go up again. Now here, moving forward, we have knowledge source. So I'll click on this. Now they are asking me to fill a knowledge base. Knowledge base for every business varies differently. So here I have to upload a knowledge base, and that too in TXT format and lesser than 90 MB. So I'll simply browse my document from here and select my knowledge base. As you can see, my knowledge base is fetched. Also, it is in TXT format. Similarly, you have to keep the format same. Now moving forward, here we have assistant interface. So here I can design my AI assistant. Here, as you can see, firstly we have header display heading name. Here I can give the heading for my business. So as you can see, I have given this a header name of cosmetic and personal care business. Also added an emoji over here. Similarly, like this, you can see this name over here in my WhatsApp box. Now moving forward, we have header display subheading name. That is here below the name of our header. We are online and happy to assist you. So if you want to keep it same, you can keep it same, or if you want to modify it, you can modify it. Now moving forward, this is the initial message. Like, what is the initial message your user will receive? So this is, hi there, how can I help you today? You can also add a message of your own. For that, you have to type your message and simply enter it. So like this, as you can see, welcome, how can I help you is my initial message. So right now I'll discard it. Now here they're asking about display the powered by Pabbly label. So if I'll disable it, powered by Pabbly label will be disabled, but I'll keep it enabled right now. Now moving forward, we have footer text. Here we can add a disclaimer or link to our privacy policy. Like for example, if there is privacy policy written, it is shown over here like this. And if a user will click on this, automatically they will be directed towards the link mentioned over here in footer link. So if you don't want to keep it, you can just remove it like this, and automatically it is removed. But I'll move forward with having the privacy policy link over here. Now moving forward with user first message. It is very important as the user have to message the same message to activate our AI assistant. You can also change it and make it more simpler or add some hi hello option in front. I'll move forward and keep it same as I need help. Now I'll again scroll up and move forward to the styling option. Now here, as you can see, this is the styling option for a message box. Here we can do it as dark theme like this or light theme, and also the assistant circle can be circle, square or rounded square like this. Also you can change the color of assistant background, assistant text color, background for colors, WhatsApp button colors, primary chat bubble color, primary chat bubble text color, footer background, and also footer text color like this. And you can select the color of your wish from here. I want to keep it same, so I'll simply move forward. Now we have header profile picture. The profile picture will be uploaded from here and will be shown on this icon over here. After that, we have assistant profile picture. That will be shown over here. If you want to give any specific picture for your assistant profile, you can choose it from here. So like this, we have successfully created an AI assistant. Now we have to toggle this button on to activate our assistant and also save our assistant at last. So like this, you can see AI assistant saved successfully. Now we have created this AI assistant. Now I'll again take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So I have written in the message and will enter it. As you can see, again my AI assistant for cosmetic and personal care business started working. So if I'll again mention my questions over here, they'll reply to me automatically. Similarly like this, if you also own a cosmetic and personal care business, you can create the same AI assistant in just few simple steps. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.